Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to add friends in Idle Heroes. If you want to add friends or build a strong network of friends in Idle Heroes, then first of all open Idle Heroes app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the game's homepage, tap on the two human figures at the left-hand corner, which is also known as the friends list. Once you're inside your friend list, if you have any friends, they will be located on this list. If you want to add new friends, tap on the search button on the left and in the enter ID text box, enter the ID of your friends. Once you type in the ID, you will see a list of results at the bottom. Find your friend and tap on apply. Repeat this step for every other friend you are trying to add in the game. Also remember that both you and your friends are on the same server, otherwise you won't be able to add each other. After entering the player ID and searching for the player, you can tap on apply, and once your friend receives their request, they can go to their friends tab and accept it. Upon acceptance, you both will be added to each other's friend list. So that's how you can easily add friends on Idle Heroes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.